What's up guys, this is Shivane and today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can fix a basic Audacity problem with a very quick and easy fix. So if you launch Audacity and it just shows you the logo and then it just freezes, well, I'm going to tell you a very quick and easy fix for that. So first of all, what you have to do is subscribe to my channel because it will really help me out and you will be notified about my latest videos. Okay, did that. So second of all, what you have to do is uninstall Audacity from your computer, because I think Audacity has launched a newer version and because of that the older version is not working properly for some reason, I don't know. So what I did was I uninstalled Audacity from my computer and then downloaded it again from Audacity's own website, and that actually worked perfectly fine then. But there was still a problem while exporting the media file, and if that problem occurs for you as well, I'm going to make another video for that, so do check it out. I will link that down in the description below as well. So yeah, this was the fix. Remember to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.